In this video, we're showing the process of how to download and install Terra Office for ArcGIS Pro. Type in Trimble Terra Office downloads, and generally you'll find the latest releases in the release options. Go to the release, look for Install Terra Office add-in for either ArcGIS ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro. In my case, I'm looking for ArcGIS, and I'm looking for a hyperlink that will allow me to download that file. So this carries me to the DocuShare site. I'll open up the release form, and I'll look for the version that is compatible with my software. So at this point, I've already gone ahead and I've downloaded the file. And so now I'm going to actually install. So I presently have my software up and running. I'm going to shut it down so that it can take effect. So I'm not going to save anything here. I'm just going to kind of have this run. And that completes the process of installing Terra Office in ArcGIS Pro.